Hi there, I am Angela Myers and I teach the game design class. And I just kind of want to give you an overview of what we might and might not be doing in game design. So first, let me tell you, it is a semester-long class. Okay, so just one semester and then a different one the next semester. And in that class, these are just the 8 chapters that we cover. And I will tell you, I've taught a couple of different electives. This class is laid out very well. The content is very tight and interesting and has lots of pictures. So I really enjoy teaching this class too because it's just really well organized. So talk about the history of gaming. We're going to talk a little bit about gameplay. We're going to talk about the pieces and the stages of development. Again, something you might not have thought about as someone who just really enjoys playing the game. We're going to talk about game mechanics. Maybe there are different areas of mechanics that you have thought about or can expand on or just have a working knowledge of, but there's some that you don't. So really just expanding your knowledge of game mechanics. We're going to talk about what a game design document is. And a game design document, yes, you have an idea and something that just kind of comes to you and you think this would be a great idea for a game, but do you have the other necessary pieces that are needed to pull together a game, and can you sell that to somebody else? Can you put that in a document? So that comes along, and you do different stages at different times, but when you're done, you'll have a full, complete document. Then we're going to talk about narratology. So we're going to talk about the story behind your game, how to get people more immersed in your story and how to develop your story. So a lot to discuss there. The business of video game development. So what does this look like as a career or as a business? And then finally, chapter 8, the last chapter, you're going to make a game. And this is, again, it's not going to be a 2K or Call of Duty. This is going to be, something that's a very simple platform, 2D graphics, something that really isn't. It may not be your best and your most expansive idea, but it is something that's going to be fun, and it's going to teach you the basics of programming. So next, what will you cover and what won't we cover? Okay, what are we not going to do? Yeah, we are not, just as I said before, we're not going to create the next Call of Duty or the next 2K or the next NBA game. We're really not. There's a lot that goes into that. They have very large teams of people that create that. So that's not where we're at. But we will have a deeper appreciation of the necessary steps. Okay, like what does it take? What is involved in making a game? You're really going to get to look at being an indie developer. What does that mean? And is that something that you can possibly do? Do you have a desire to be an indie developer? And then we're going to really talk about the theory and the psychology involved in the gaming industry as a whole. It is more than just button smashing. Okay, as my dad used to say, that's just button smashing. There's a lot more than that involved. And so really just kind of look at the theory and the psychology and the ins and outs. So I hope you will join us. If you have any questions, definitely make sure to send me an email. Again, my name is Angela Myers, and we look forward to seeing you in game design.